go fast. Ooh. Ooh. Are you being careful? Yeah, hold on. Ooh. Wanna go faster?
No.
No. You done? Okay, you ready? Stop. Oh. Okay, now let's get dry pants on. Your pants are real wet. Feel them. See? You got in the... Come on. We just took a shower. Let's go get some dry pants on so you don't get dirty butt. Okay? Thank you, Hudson.
Walt Bates will probably end up here next year.